3D bath bomb mold demonstration from the Maker Shop. This is the 2.5-inch coffee bean, and it consists of a bottom plate, an outer shell, and a top plunger. It has a little design on the plunger. So we're going to start by taking our outer shell and placing it on top of our bottom plate, and then we're just going to start filling with our bath bomb mix. If you want to help your bath bombs to float rather than sink, poke some holes in it. Use a chopstick, the back of a spoon handle, whatever type of object you have laying around, and continue to fill and give it some shakes. Take your plunger with your design, and we're going to turn that face down on top of our mold, and we're going to start giving it some presses. Every time you press, give it a little turn. Take your spoon and gentle taps around the outside shell. Some taps on the top portion of the plunger. Turn it upside down. You generally don't have to tap the bottom plate. It should come right straight up. Fingers underneath, thumbs on the top, and we're going to be pushing up with our fingers on that plunger. Get your cardboard and put that on top and turn the whole thing over. And now we're going to lift straight up with our plunger. And here you have a beautiful 2.5-inch coffee bean 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so that you can purchase this and any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.